Good morning. Welcome to FitScope. My name is Cherie and I am your Tai Chi instructor. Today I'm going to teach you the Tai Chi 8 form. This is probably the best form for beginners to learn Tai Chi. So let's get started. So the first thing is you want to relax your shoulders. Your knees are slightly bent. Your tailbone is tucked. And the one thing is you just want to calm your mind. Take a couple deep breaths. And when we begin, we step out and we bring our arms up, breathe in. This is the opening form, and breathe out. We do this 3 times. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, we're going to take our right hand and bring it over to the back, gathering that energy. Our left hand is going to come up to the front. We bring that right hand over, and we're going to bring that energy above the left hand and give that left hand energy. The right hand comes forward, the left hand comes back, scooping up energy and coming to the right hand. So then we bring our arms down. Our left hand, we're directing traffic. Our left hand's going to be by our chest. We're going to step to the left. Our left hand is going to swipe our knee, and our right hand is going to push. You don't want to be forward. You don't want to be back. You want to be centered. We come back to our feet, come back to the center. We're directing traffic. We're pointing to this something. Our right hand is by our heart. We step to the right. Our right hand swipes our knee, and we push. Again, not forward, not backwards, straight. We come back to the center. We grab a ball with our right hand on top. We step to the left. We swipe. And then we come back to the center, and we grab a ball with the left hand on top. We step to the right. And we swipe, so our right hand comes up, our left hand is by our hip. This time, our right hand is going to come down. We're going to do cloud hands. Our left hand is going to come up, and we're going to follow our left hand, and we're going to step with the right foot. 1, and we're going to follow the right, and we're going to step our left foot to the side. 2, and then we're going to follow the right hand. Then we're going to go back to the right. Step 1, 2. So then we're going to bring our right hand up. It's called rooster stands on one leg. So if you can't stand on one leg, just put your toe on the ground. We come back to the center. We do the left side. Rooster stands on one leg. So our left hand is up. We're kind of protecting, and our right hand is by our elbow. We come down. We cross. And this is we can kick out, our arms come out, and we kick. If you can't kick, just put your foot down. We come back, our hands come out, and we kick to the left. Or do it right here. We come back to the center. We grab a ball with our right hand on top. We step to the left. We swipe with our left hand on top, our right by our hips. Then both hands glide over to the right. The right hand pushes the left wrist over, directly above the left knee. We come down and we push. We come back to the center. Left hand is on top. We grab a ball. We step to the right. We swipe up. Both hands come down over to the left. The left hand pushes the right wrist directly above the right knee. Both hands come up, grab up the knee and push. And then we come down, we cross, and we get a closing form. So let's do that one more time. So focus on your breathing. We're going to center ourselves. We're going to take a step out. We're going to breathe in. And breathe out. Again, breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Again, bring our right hand back. Gather that energy. The left arm is out front. That right arm brings that energy to the left. And then the left arm comes back, the right arm's forward. This is called repulse the monkey. And we come down. Feet come together. Our hands are directed to the right. We step to the left. We swipe. The left hand swipes the left knee and we push. Feet come together. Our hands are to the left. We take a step with our right. The right hand swipes the knee and the left hand pushes. And we come back to the center. We hold a ball with the right hand on top. We step to the left. We swipe up. The left hand is above and the right hand's by the hip. We step back to the center. We grab a ball with the left hand on top. We step to the right. We swipe up. This time the right hand comes down, the left hand comes up, and the right hand takes a step, and we're just going to step to the left a couple times, cloud hands. And then the right hand, we step. 1, 2. Then we come up to rooster stands on one leg. With the knee, if you can't lift the knee up, you just touch it with a toe. We come down. The left foot, rooster stands on one leg. If you can't lift the knee, bring it down. We come back. We cross and we kick. If you can't kick, come down this way. We cross and we kick. If you can't, come down this way. And come to the center. We grab a ball with the right on top. We step to the left. We swipe. Both hands come over to the right. The right hand pushes the left wrist above the left knee. Both hands come down and push. We come back to the center. Left hand on top, we're grabbing a ball. We step to the right. We swipe. Both hands come to the left. The left hand pushes the right wrist directly above the knee. We come down and we push. We come over, we cross, and we end. So that is the 8 form. You can practice this repeatedly and then you'll understand the whole form. Thank you. Namaste.